Welcome, curious minds. Ever heard of the deep web? It's not just a shadowy corner of the internet for hackers and ne'er-do-wells. It's much more. The deep web is the part of the internet that is not indexed by traditional search engines. It's like an iceberg. What you see on the surface is just a tiny fraction. The deep web is the rest of it, lurking beneath the surface. It's immense, nearly 500 times larger than the surface web. It's where emails, banking data and subscription content reside, all behind passwords. But tread lightly, as it can also have a darker side. Remember, knowledge is power, but it must be used wisely. Before we delve deeper into this digital abyss, we have a small request. If you're finding this exploration of the deep web intriguing, why not consider subscribing to our channel at Demystify Tech? By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release more content like this. Our mission is to unravel the complexities of the digital world, and we'd love for you to join us on this journey. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's continue our descent into the depths of the deep web. Let's take a closer look at the deep web. Imagine a giant iceberg floating in the icy ocean. The tip of the iceberg, visible above water, is like the surface web that we are all familiar with. It's the part of the internet you can access through search engines like Google or Bing. Now imagine the vast body of the iceberg hidden beneath the water surface. That's the deep web. As we dive deeper, you'll see images flashing on your screen. You might see streams of encrypted data flowing like a river, representing the protected information that makes up a large part of the deep web. This includes emails, banking details, and subscription-based content. Next, you'll see images that portray some of the darker activities associated with the deep web. Shadowy figures huddled over keyboards, a digital black market, and illegal transactions. These represent the parts of the deep web that are not just unindexed, but intentionally hidden, often referred to as the dark web. Lastly, you'll see caution signs. These symbolize the need for vigilance and caution when exploring the deep web. As we said earlier, knowledge is power, but it must be used wisely. So, as we journey further into the deep web, remember to stay safe and tread lightly.